This one?
Pisang goreng.
Pisang goreng. Fried pisang goreng.
Right.
Pisang goreng.
Oh.
Pisang goreng with my friends, Indonesian friends.
Yes.
After 2 minutes.
With cheese. Cheese we call this keju.
Keju.
Keju, yeah, cheese. Keju.
In the Philippines, queso.
Oh, okay.
Queso.
Queso, okay.
Masarap.
Masarap. How you say in Indonesian na masarap? Yummy. Delicious.
What's delicious?
Enak.
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 Enak, enak.
Enak in Filipino, anak means
anak.
children.
Oh,
Anak.
Anak, yeah. You say anak. Enak siya eh.
Guys, nangungupala naman si pare.
What is that?
You share this one too.
Sarap, masarap. Oh, dito maruya, ang ganda ng tawag.
Is that's like a big sorry in Filipino Tagalog.
Hmm?
Is that candy?
Enak.